In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a ChatGPT API key for free, step by step, so you can start connecting OpenAI to your apps, automations, and projects in just a few minutes. If you've been looking for the simplest way to create an API key without getting lost in the dashboard, this guide will walk you through the exact process. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to the OpenAI Platform settings page. The easiest way to do that is by searching for OpenAI Platform settings in Google, or by heading directly to the OpenAI platform if you already know the link. Once you're on the platform, sign in with the account that you want to use for your API access. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one OpenAI profile. After you're signed in, look for the Settings area in the OpenAI dashboard. From there, click on API Keys. This is the section where OpenAI lets you create and manage your secret keys, which are used to authenticate your apps and tools. If you've never created one before, this page will usually look pretty clean and simple. Now click on Create New Secret Key. This is the button that starts the key generation process. Once you click it, OpenAI will ask you to name the key. Give it a clean name that helps you remember what it's for. For example, you could name it something like ChatGPT App Key, Website Key, or Testing Key. Naming your keys properly is a smart habit because it makes it much easier to manage them later. Next, choose the project you want to associate with the key. If you only have one project, this part is usually very straightforward. If you have multiple projects, just select the one that matches the app or workflow you're building. This matters because it helps keep your API usage organized and easier to track. Once the name and project are set, click Create Secret Key again to generate the key. OpenAI will now create your new API key instantly. This is the important part. Copy the key right away and save it somewhere secure because you may not be able to view it again after closing the window. Treat this key like a password since it gives access to your API account. After you copy it, paste it into the app, tool, or code editor where you need it. If you're using it in a no-code tool, automation platform, or development environment, make sure you enter it exactly as shown, with no extra spaces. One small typo can cause the connection to fail, so it's always a good idea to double-check it before moving on. And that's it! You've successfully created your ChatGPT API key. The whole process is quick once you know where to click, and now you're ready to use OpenAI in your own projects, whether that's for chatbots, content tools, workflow automation, or AI-powered apps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.